So we're here today, live on location in lovely Mississauga. As you can see around me, this neighborhood was developed in around the 80s or 90s. A lot of these homes still have the original windows. So we're here at our client's house. We're gonna make his home a lot more comfortable, cozy, and modern looking. Follow me for more. The installers at EcoTech Windows and Doors are bar none, top notch, some of the best in the industry. We have the largest installation team in the province of Ontario. They're definitely the backbone of our team. They're here doing the hard work all year round. Rain, snow, sun, whatever it is, they're here busy making your home look beautiful. So right now we're in the process of removing the old windows from the home. As you can see, these were the originals from when the house was built. A lot of them have damage to the window. Their seals have been broken, argon gas is gone. Some of them are cracked, damaged. Locks and handles don't work. So we're gonna replace them with our new EcoTech lineup. Follow me. As you can see here behind me, our installers are busy removing the old windows. They're removing the old casing and trim on the interior, the jambs, cleaning off all the old insulation and getting them prepped and ready to install our brand new EcoTech energy efficient windows. Safety and security is also very important to us. With our new casement windows, we have an anti-pry device, and our corner drive locking system will make sure your window at night is sealed at all four corners, keeping you, your family safe and secure inside your home. We always make sure that when we're entering your home, whatever time of year it is with our boots on, that we've covered your floors, protecting your hardwood, your tiles, making sure that there's no damage to your home. As you can see behind me, the client had on some blinds over their windows. During the process of installation, we will definitely remove them, keep them, and once the windows are fully installed, we'll reinstall your blinds or shutters for you. We're putting on some of the finishing touches to this window. We've already prepped it. We're getting ready to put in our Hilti foam insulation to really seal the window tight, maximizing its energy efficiency. So once the foam is installed, it really maximizes the efficiency. It expands and makes sure our windows are airtight sealed. So we've almost arrived at the finished product. We've installed the window, put on the jambs. The installers have taken the measurements for the casing, installed it, and they're just putting on the final finishing touches to make the interior of your home look very beautiful. Behind me, as you can see, they're putting on the final touches. The window's been installed, it's been insulated, and they're just caulking, sealing the exterior. When we're removing your old windows, taking off your jambs and your interior casing, rest assured, we put them aside, and when we're done at the end of the day, we load them up and dispose of them safely for you. So we're just finished installing brand new windows on our client's home. If you're looking to upgrade your home with some new windows or doors, give us a call or go to ecotechwindows.ca to book your free home estimate.